Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with another benchmark on the channel. So we're testing out Tomb Raider for the PS3. That's right, we're testing out the PS3 Emulator once again today. I'll be running with my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. As usual, I am keeping everything on default because the whole point of the video is just to show you how the game runs with the i7-4790, which, spoiler alert, it doesn't. It has a lot of issues. Oh wow, we're gonna get into the game nonetheless. Oh, there's no patches for Tomb Raider. That's cool. So Tomb Raider is one of those games that the CPU can't handle apparently. It has many compiling shaders and it just doesn't work. I'm using a capture card to record this, so this is all how the game will naturally play. Because I'm using this because it's probably gonna crash on me at some point, which isn't gonna be nice. You know, it's not great. When you see your CPU doing 70% with the emulator, you know bad times are about to happen. Bad time. That's why I'm recording from here, because it's like I doubt I'll even manage to make it outside. Tomb Raider 2013. Now, once again, you're probably gonna ask, Javon, this is on PC. Why are you doing this? Like I said, I'm just doing it because I'm trying to test every game on the PS3 emulator. It's literally it. Simply for scientific, educational purposes. That's all it is, man. I just want to see what runs. And Tomb Raider 2013 ain't one of them. Tomb Raider 2013 ain't cutting it, guys. It just ain't cutting it. Let's go. I'm getting about 11 and 12 FPS on average at this point. 11 on average, to be fair. And the CPU is pegged. I can't even bother to overclock it to the 4 gigs because I know it's gonna crash if I do. Tomb Raider ain't it. Tomb Raider ain't ready. I want to do these videos now because at one point I'm gonna decide to test them out later on down in life, and it's gonna be great when I realize that I can run them on the i7. You normally see a lot of emulation videos on YouTube, but they're all with i9s and stuff like that. Some Ryzens. It's some big high-end CPUs, which is why I wanted to go for the middleman. So we're doing the i7-4790. It's not low-end by any means, but for the emulator, sure, it definitely is, as you can see. So this is a serious CPU issue here. CPU is pegged. The compiling of shaders is constant. It's not great. Laura, you're not looking so great. Your game ain't looking so great. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you simply enjoy seeing games run on the PS3 emulator, you can leave a comment down below if you'd like to see me test out next on the channel. Doesn't matter. I basically do everything at this point. I will be doing Xenia and Yuzu as well because I want to do a test on all of those. Try to cover as many games as possible just to see what the i7-4790, you know, something lower end than what you normally see, can run on the channel. To be fair, I feel like it's doing a lot better than before. I ain't gonna lie, it's doing better. Wow, even the survival instinct thing does the same thing it does on the PC where it drops frames. Crazy. It's definitely doing better than... I'm gonna look at this explosion. If it crashes, that would suck. I'm gonna look at this explosion. Cool guys don't look at explosions, but guys that benchmark on low-end systems do. Alright, that wasn't bad. Compile some shaders. Oh, we're going into a QTE segment now. I don't know if this will work. I mean, will I have fast enough because this is compiling shaders like crazy. This is stuff that makes games crash. I got through. I somehow managed to get through that. This scene that normally wouldn't take more than a minute is taking me longer just because of it. I mean, it runs. It's not the worst. Like I said, if you have a higher end CPU, I imagine this probably would play a lot better. Because it's definitely a CPU issue here. My CPU just can't handle it. So keep that in mind. A better CPU means, you know, more performance. Once again, this is simply a test because it's on PC. Why would we just play it on PC? But simply a test to see what the PS3 emulator can do. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more great content. Smash that subscribe button if you enjoy this type of content because I post this crap every day. I'm going for like 10 videos a day and crap. It's going to be crazy, man. I'm going to play a little bit longer. Let's see if we can fix that place. Oh, another next explosion. I don't know if I can though because the frames, man. compiling of shaders isn't great. Oh yeah, just to let you guys know, yes, this is the first time I'm testing the game. I like to test the game out on the first try, just to let you guys know how it will run on the first playthrough. Some games do run on the first playthrough, and some have issues like this. So this will perform a bit better the second time I run it, but there's no point in really doing that, because it's not going to be that great of an improvement. You gotta weigh that in. What would be the great? How much of an improvement would it be? It wouldn't be that great. It's just, it ain't worth it, man. It ain't worth it. That CPU is pegged, bro. That's not great. And you know your CPU pegged. Okay, yeah. Oh! Laura, seriously? I had to compile shaders for that? Seriously? Why? We're about to get a big explosion now, so we'll see how that handles it. Will it drop it down into the single digits, or will it somehow manage to keep up at least 11 or 10 FPS? Probably not. Definitely not. What am I saying? Get ready for pain, guys. This is an in-game cutscene, but explosion nonetheless. It kept at 11. Oh my god, it's somehow managed. It's somehow managed. Once again, I'm in panic mode because the whole time I'm thinking to myself, if I play this too long, this is gonna crash. Like, this is gonna crash my CPU. My CPU is like, I can't do it, man. Stop the madness. Yeah, so the second time around, this probably would give me up to 17, 18 FPS. It'll definitely do better at the oh, dropping below now. Too much things popping out now. Alright, you can stop now. There's a lot of stuff dropping. Man, I feel like I've done this jump so many damn times in my life. 15 years, 2013 a lot. We're going into another QTE, even a worse one now because I have as a button prompt. I had a quick time event before, but to be fair, I pressed triangle. Oh, I pressed it. It didn't register. See what I mean? I pressed that. That was the first button I pressed. It didn't register. I knew that would happen. This is what I mean. When the FPS is this low. I just died that time. See? So that'll be an issue. So that's the end though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again. It's been a bit crazy. Hopefully next game we test on the RX-570 Emulator is better than this one. I'll see you guys next time.